Good evening, everybody. It is MGBL back at you with another one. Happy New Year. Hope everything's going good. I hope you enjoyed the holidays. All the best to you and your family. But today, I got a special thing I got right here. Now, you're probably wondering what this is. Now, if you guys know me by now, I'm gonna let you guys take a guess. Just give me like 1 second. I'm just gonna cut this open. Did you figure it out yet? It's another MacBook Pro, but this time it's the M1, 13-inch. So, I'm going to dive into why I got this, but I found this for a really good price, and I must say, it was worth it. Sorry if I'm being loud, I'm just really ecstatic right now. Here it is. And look, no wrapping to done, just take it out of the box. Finished. Look at that. Okay, so... anything else in here? Nothing. Alright. Okay. Here's the bad boy. Okay. Wow, that was easier than I thought. So anyways, guys. Here's the MacBook. It is the 13-inch. M1. 8 gigabytes of RAM. 512 gig SSD. So, we know this ain't no slowpoke. Yeah, see? You guys can see right there. 8 gigabyte, 512, 13-inch. It's pretty good. The guy did a crappy job on him wrapping it, but I don't care. Because the reason why I got this is because it has Apple Care, and the battery only has 22 cycles. So if you don't know what that means, this thing is brand new. And you can't find this for less than $2,000 or 1,800 Canadian dollars. Obviously in the States it's going to be cheaper, but just look at that. Crazy. That's just crazy, man. I really found this for a really, really good deal, and I couldn't say no. And plus, I need a portable laptop anyways. So, this will fit the build nicely. So, let's unbox this, okay? I want to do this carefully because I want to preserve its essence, aka its box. Okay, so we did 1 and 2. This has probably been the easiest unboxing I've ever done. Oh, so easy. Dun da da da. Ooh, man, I missed that space gray. Quick story. I had this MacBook back in 2019, but I had the crappier version, aka the Intel with the butterfly keys. So, obviously, I got rid of it as soon as I could. And then I got this boy right here. I'll show you a preview. So, this is my M1 Max 32 gig MacBook. It's crazy. Look all the ports. We'll do a review on this later, but man, I'm so happy right now because this was I literally love this Mac. Now, I know y'all gonna say, oh, it's whatever, but honestly, they changed the keyboard, and you know what? I didn't mind the touch bar. I thought it was pretty cool. But the butterfly keys, I absolutely hated. I never personally had a problem with them, but I'm telling you, Apple did good with getting rid of those keys. Like, honestly, I couldn't stop. I couldn't bear with it. Oh my God, this is so light. Oh my God. Excuse my excitement right now. It's been a while since I had one. Oh my goodness, it's so light. Man, this makes my 16-inch feel like a brick. Oh, okay. Now, so story is, look at that brand new cable, and I got, look, wrapped everything. There's nothing missing. This is exactly how I like it. So, you guys are probably wondering, why did you buy another MacBook? Didn't you have a 2012 MacBook? Don't you have a 2021? Why do you need another one? Well, I need another one because I need something portable but modern. See, the 2012 is good, but I'm going to be honest, I hate the screen. It is complete garbage. I don't like it. This has a Retina display. So, I'm vibing with that. And this is way lighter than my 2012. Now, don't get me wrong. The 2012 is the OG. One of the best laptops Apple's ever made for that era, and the unibody, I'm telling you, you will not go wrong with it, but I think this is pretty much close to it, in my opinion. Just how light it is and just everything. I love it. I just love that space gray. That's just incredible. And this doesn't have butterfly keys. It has a scissor keyboard that the one Apple announced 3 years ago. So, yeah. Now, I was trying to find this with 16 gigabytes, but they wanted $2,000. I'm like, you know what? I'm probably not going to keep this long enough to use all that, so I just got this. I'm fine with the SSD. 512 is pretty good. I'm not going to complain right there. So, we did go with that. But yeah. No ports on this, but it's okay. It's more for like a go-to laptop when I'm on the go. But yeah, that's actually crazy. Well, look at that, eh? But yeah, guys, so here's the MacBook, here's the accessories, but I want to put this to the side, and I want to show you what I got, because I got some accessories for this thing that you guys might like. So, check this out. I got this on Amazon, 20 bucks. I get all my stuff on Amazon. It is literally the best place to get stuff, and you're not paying Apple tax, as I like to call it. So, essentially, I got this cosmic star-looking constellation case because I'm into astrology and stuff. So, cool. These things, I don't know how you guys feel about them. I don't like these because it makes my hands feel weird. I like feeling my keyboard and the clicks. So, I mean, to each their own. But yeah, I do not like this, whatever this is. But this case is pretty good. Matter of fact, let's unbox it carefully. I didn't even unbox this thing yet. I was waiting for this guy to come in. Easy, easy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's take this apart. Now, these things, if you guys don't know, you put them under the MacBook and just uses it as a stand, right? Just to stand it, but I don't need those. But yeah. Finally, this unboxing, I don't have to unwrap it like a savage. It's literally so easy. I just peel it off and bang, there you go. Screen protector? Nah, don't use this. This is garbage. Don't use this. I literally put this on my screen on my other MacBook, and it peeled off the film on it, and Apple tried to make me pay for it. So there was a whole spiel about warranty. Just do not put a screen protector on the screen, because even if you dig your nail into it, you're gonna scratch the screen, and then that's it. If you don't have Apple Care, you're paying $1,000. Trust me, I would know. So whatever. I don't need this. Don't need this either. Garbage. But yeah, that's the case. It's pretty good. Oh, unbox this too. But yeah, so that's the case I got. Not too bad. Not too bad. At least I don't have much to clean up here. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Oh, it's pretty cool. Okay, so that's done. And also, I got something else. I got this thing. I carry. Now, I upsized because I will eventually replace this with the 14-inch. So, bear in mind. I had a red one coming in that was a 13-inch. But then, Amazon delivered it. And they're saying, yeah, it's delivered. And I'm like, where is it? And the guy's like, well, I don't know. I delivered it. So, I'm like, okay, bro. You know what? Whatever. I called Amazon, got my money because I was complete idiocy and stupidity. Trust me, a lot's been going around like that lately and just whatever. But I got this better one, and I think it's pretty much better. I might not need my knife for this. Yeah, let's just tear it open. Yeah, I'm going to be using this to carry my MacBook Pro. So it's not too bad. You can tell where it's made. China! Where everything is made. Thank you so much, blah, 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 blah. I don't need that. I've had so many of these. Cut this off. There we go, done. I'm finished. Okay. So, that's finished. So, here's the case. It's got this pocket right here. So you can put stuff in. Which, actually, I gotta change out my 16-inch carrying case. That thing's huge. Yeah. I got a treat for y'all. Have some gel. No, I'm kidding. I still don't know why they put this in here. Maybe to preserve it or make it smell brand new. I really don't know. Frankly, I don't care, but whatever, man. Doesn't matter. But yeah. So it's got a microfiber lining in it. So when you put the MacBook in, it's really good. So actually, let's try this out for a minute. Okay, so gotta watch my TV. Okay, so basically, see? It goes in like this. If you guys remember the envelope ad from like 2008 for the MacBook Air, let's do it again. Ta-da! Look how thin it is. I'm kidding. But yeah, that's the case, guys. So, literally, It's pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna complain. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna bust this thing open and get going with it. And I want to start registering it. But here, just for comparison's sake, look. So, get this stuff out. So look at this. So right here, you see the blue MacBook, but the 2012. This thing's a brick. Just look how thin that is. Look at that from the side. Look at the thinness. Just look at the difference there. Honestly, like you guys can see the difference here. I'm not lying here. It's crazy. But yeah, man, pretty excited. Now I gotta run a time machine backup. I gotta start this beautiful thing up. Blah blah blah. It's gonna be a busy one. But anyways, guys, thank you for keeping up with my channel. I'm gonna be doing school full time, so I'll try to do one video a week, but I'll try for every 2 weeks now. I'm switching up my schedule a bit because A, it's costing me money to get all this. Because to start YouTube, I need some money. I need something to talk about. So I'm trying to find ways to make more content and spend less money, if you get what I'm saying. So bear with me, but content will come. I appreciate all the support. And hopefully for this year, 2024, let's get 1,000 subscribers and go from there. Okay, guys? Well, that's it for this video. As usual, my signature, thumbs up. Stay great, guys. All the best. Happy New Year.